In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity AI for free. So in order to do this, you first need to head over to their browser, which is perplexity.ai. Now, as you can see, it looks like just other GPTs. So you can just ask this anything. So for example, let's input right here this. And then after you have inputted right there a prompt, it will actually reply to you about their answer. Now, the great thing about Perplexity is they will also review sources, so you know that they are not hallucinating or making up information. You can see right here the sources altogether, and you can also click on them in order to see them. So there are actually a mix of sources. Some are articles, some are videos, and you can see right here which part of them have that particular source, and you can see it right there. It's actually quite smart, and it also integrates images right here. So it's actually free to use. You can just sign up for an account. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.